Battalion 2 is on scene. We got a medium-sized, two-story, multifamily residential structure. We got a working fire on the first floor with extension to the second floor. We're going to be operating in the offensive strategy. Battalion 2 has Wisconsin Command.
Command Engine 5. Battalion 2 to Engine 5, Ladder 5, you guys are on TAC 3. Go to TAC 3. Command Engine 5. Command Engine 5, stretch a hand line for fire control. Command Ladder 5. Command Ladder 5. Shoot.
Engine 5 is followed.
Command Engine 5, go ahead with your follow-up.
Yeah, Chief, looks like we have one unit involved right now. We do have smoke showing on that north side of the structure as well. We're going to water on this. We're going to need to force entry into multiple apartments.
Okay, copy that. I copy your follow-up report. Command Ladder 5.
Ladder 5, go.
Command Ladder 5, assist Engine 5 with forcible entry.
Ladder 5, copy.
Command Rescue 5. Command Rescue 5.
Engine 9, copy.
Copy Engine 9. I want you to secure a 5-inch lay into Engine 5.
Rick 12, Engine 9, copy. Water spot.
Command Rescue 12.
Go.
Commander Rescue 12, I want you to go to the second floor, force entry, and get a primary search above.
Crystal copy, second floor, above the octane. Engine 13, copy. It's 12 on scene, standing by hydrant.
Command copy, Engine 13. Engine 13, I want you to pull a secondary line off Engine 5, go to the second floor and check for extension.
Engine 13, copy, back up line, second floor.
Commander Rescue 5. Command Engine 5.
Engine 5, go ahead.
Command Engine 5, if you got Rescue 5 with you, have them switch to TAC 3.
Copy that. Chief, looks like it was a couch right here outside of this first occupancy. Someone made an extension inside, but we just need to open all these up.
Yeah, I copy that. From my point of view, we have pretty significant smoke up coming out of the eaves on the second floor, so I got Engine 13 stretching the line to the second floor to check for extension.
Copy that.
Command Engine 12.
Ladder 1 3 is on scene, level 1, standing by for assignment.
Copy Ladder 1-3. Are you approaching from the north or south?
Hey Chief, we're approaching from the north, just going south, right here by the hydrant.
Okay, copy that. Spot just north of engine 5, and I'll get you an assignment.
Engine 11 on scene, number 1.
Engine 11, grab the RIP pack off my truck. I want you to go on deck on the Alpha.
Engine 11, rear, Alpha press. Rescue 5 is on deck for me.
Commander Rescue 5 on a primary search of the fire occupancy.
Rescue 5 copies, primary search.
Commander Rescue 11.
Rescue 11.
Commander Rescue 11. Go to the Delta side of the structure. That's going to be the north side. Force entry and check for extension and primary search.
Rescue 11 copy, primary search on the Delta side. Engine searching officer to engine 5 driver, charge second line. Copy, charge in second line.
Go on deck with 11s.
You want to stand at that back?
You got a water supply?
Yeah.
9s is supposed to be doing that.
Okay.
Go on deck Alpha.
Charge the hydrant. Copy, charge the hydrant. Squad 3 is on scene.
Commander Squad 3, do a 360, spot utilities, assume safety. Commander Ladder 1-3.
Ladder 1-3, go.
Commander Ladder 1-3. I want you to go to Delta side of the structure, that's the north side. Assist Rescue 11, forcing entry and primary search and checking for extension.
Ladder 1-3, copy, north side, assisting Rescue 11. Engine 11, ready, Alpha 5.
I copy engine 11's ready on deck Alpha.
Primary search, all clear.
Commander Rescue 5, I copy. We got a primary search, all clear in the fire occupancy 2034.
Engine 9, command.
Go ahead, engine 9.
Engine 9, command. Water supply secured. Engine 9 is on deck.
Man, copy. Water supply secure. Engine 9 is on deck.
Engine 5, command.
Go ahead, engine 5.
We're cooling fueling in the main fire occupancy. We have fire over our head.
And that's first floor, between first floor, second floor.
That's affirmative. We're giving you some help floating fueling in here.
Copy that. Commander Ladder 5.
Ladder 5,
Commander Ladder 5, you direct. Engine 5 needs help pulling ceiling in the fire occupancy.
Engine 11, command.
Stand by, engine 11. Commander Ladder 5.
Ladder 5 copy for in the fire apartment for 65.
Okay, copy that. Command engine 11, go ahead.
Engine 11, command. If we should have fire in the east and in the doors, you want to turn off this ventilation fan?
Yeah, go and shut down that fan for now. Shoot.
Lieutenant 3's on scene.
Command engine 11.
Go ahead, Chief.
Stretch a third hand line off engine 5. Go to the exposures to the west. Check for extension in the void space. Catch me up on the drawing with the tack sheet, please.
Copy, third line, engine 5, checking for extension on the west side. Engine 13 command.
Go ahead, engine 1-3.
We don't have any active fires in occupancy above the fire occupancy. We have an all clear. We also have an all clear in the one next to it to the west.
Okay, I copy that. Were you guys able to look in the void space in the attic?
Engine 13 command. That's a negative. Google check right now.
Copy that. Check that void space because we got pretty significant smoke showing from up there.
Engine 5 here.
Command engine 5, go ahead.
Yeah, we're still pulling silly in the main fire occupancy. We still have fire in the void space. If there's anybody working directly above us, I recommend moving out of that apartment so we can pick up the control.
Okay, I copy that. Command engine 1-3. Command engine 1-3. You have fire below you. We got a compromised floor between 1 and 2. I want you to back out of that occupancy and move west, and we'll pull ceiling in there. Go ahead, ladder 5.
Let's go. One more ladder, 2 in the fire apartment.
And is that for pulling ceiling?
Wait.
Yes, sir. Help me, sir.
Command engine 9.
Engine 13 to command.
Stand by engine 1-3. Command engine 9.
What do you need, Joe?
Go for engine 9.
Enter in the fire occupancy. Assist ladder 5 and engine 5 pulling ceiling.
We got engine 9, rescue 5.
Engine 9, copy. Assist ladder 5, engine 5.
Got engine 9, engine 5, ladder 5, rescue 5.
Engine 7 to command. Moving evidence entry. Bravo exposure. Division 1.
Copy that, engine 11. Commander rescue 11. Can I get a can report? What's up, Bob?
Rescue 11 command. You searched the Delta apartment on Division 1 and Division 2 opposite of the fire. We do have fire extending to the ground on the Delta enclosure Division 2.
Okay, copy that. Commander rescue 11. Scratch that. Commander ladder 13.
Ladder 1-3, go.
Commander ladder 1-3. Stretch a line from engine 5 to the Delta side. Let's assist rescue 11 with that fire control.
You want a tack sheet? 4 lines off engine 5 now?
We have up to 5.
Okay.
Engine 9 command.
Go ahead, engine 9.
Engine 9 command, just confirming, you want us to enter on the 1st Division?
Yes, sir. Ladder 5 and engine 5 need assistance pulling ceiling in the main fire occupancy.
Engine 13 to command.
Go ahead, engine 1-3.
Hey, Chief, I know you wanted us back out of this one above the fire occupancy, but we have some active flaming in the wall that we can see right there. The floor feels stable for right now. Just think if you're good with us going back in to try and get this real quick.
Stand by. Command engine 5. Command engine 5. Does that ceiling look compromised between 1 and 2?
Looks like we got under control.